Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive right into the future of productivity with a tutorial on setting up and using the reminder bot in Slack. Kick off your journey by opening Slack on your device. This helps us because it's the first step to accessing the workspace where the reminder bot will operate. Now that we've done that, navigate to the app directory. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. You want to do this because the app directory is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for all Slack apps, including the reminder bot. Next up, type reminder bot into the search bar. The reason we do this is to locate the bot quickly without having to manually search through countless apps. Once you've found the bot, click the Add button to install it to your workspace. This crucial step links the bot to your workspace, enabling it to send reminders. With the bot installed, you're ready to set your first reminder. Just type /remind in the message box, followed by your message, and then the time you want to be reminded. The message could be something like, meeting at 10 a.m. This command tells the bot what to remind you about and when. Now let me explain why this matters. The reminder bot helps you stay on top of things by sending you notifications at the right time. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets anything. Here's what's happening behind the scenes after setting your reminder. The bot will acknowledge your command with a confirmation message. This ensures that your reminder has been set correctly. Next, when the time comes, the bot will send you the reminder notification. The bot is designed to be reliable and accurate, so you can trust it to remind you at exactly the right time. In conclusion, the reminder bot is a powerful tool that helps you stay organized in Slack. To use it, install the bot from the app directory. Set your reminders with the /remind command and let the bot do the rest. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and improving your productivity with Slack.